Hey, Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2017 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost motor. Now these new Delta Force cold air intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra-trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high-flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. Now, this is a 100% direct bolt onto the vehicle, and it's backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Now, the tools for the job are a pair of scissors, 7mm nut driver, 5/16 nut driver, and a 5/32 Allen key. All Flowmaster products are dyno tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get this installed in this Ford Raptor here. Okay, we're in the shop today. We got a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost motor. We're going to get the old intake system out and put on the new Delta Force cold air intake. So let's get started. Okay, first we're going to disconnect the sensor right here, loosen up the clamp down below, and then we're going to go ahead and unsnap the top of the air box here, and then this whole intake system will come off as one unit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect the sensor. You have to squeeze the top and the bottom of the sensor. And as you squeeze it, you got to rotate it and twist it towards the master cylinder here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and loosen up the clamp here. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and loosen up the clamp here. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and unclip the top of the airbox. Okay, now we're going to take this whole intake system off as one unit. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove the air filter. Okay, we got that old stock intake off the vehicle. Now we got the new Delta Force cold air intake laid out here. We're going to go ahead and start assembling it. But first we're going to start off with the heat shield. We're going to take the air filter adapter. It's going to go on the inside of the heat shield. Then we're going to go ahead and line up the 3 holes. And with the supplied hardware, we're going to go ahead and take the bolt, the lock washer, and the flat washer, and go ahead and tighten this down. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on the heat shield gasket. And this may come in excess length, so you may need to trim it to fit your heat shield. So we're going to go ahead and snap this in. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the adhesive trim seal that goes on the bottom of your heat shield. We're just going to flip this upside down. Now this comes in excess length, so you're going to have to cut it to fit each corner of the heat shield. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the air filter. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the grommet on the intake tube here. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the reinforced silicone couplers. So we're going to start off with this one here. It's got a hump in the center. It's going to go on the bottom right here of the intake tube. We're going to go ahead and just snug it up. So you want to leave some room for some adjustment. Okay. The next coupler we're going to do is the small one here. It's also got a hump in the center. It's going to go right here on this end. Okay. And the last one is the smooth straight one. It's going to go on this end here. Okay. Next we're going to attach the intake to the heat shield. Again, you just want to snug it down so you allow for some adjustment. Okay, let's get this Delta Force cold air intake installed in the vehicle. Okay, we'll go ahead and hinge the top of the lid here. Go ahead and attach this bottom coupler first. Go ahead and attach this top hose. Okay, come back to the lid here. Now we'll go ahead and snap it down. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take this coupler here. We're going to push it up against the stop. And go ahead and tighten it down. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and tighten down this bottom coupler. You want to push it on to make sure it hits the stop. Then we'll go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Okay. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and tighten down the coupler to the heat shield. Again, you want to make sure the coupler is pressed up against the heat shield. And then we'll go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Okay. Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and tighten down the clamps to the intake tube. We're going to start with this top one first. We're going to push it into the heat shield. And we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Okay. Okay, next we'll tighten down the clamp here at the intake tube. Go ahead and push this tube on all the way. And then we'll go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Okay. Okay, next we'll go ahead and tighten down the clamp here, bottom of the intake. Again, we're going to take the intake and push it in. And then we'll go ahead and tighten down the clamp. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the factory O-ring on the sensor. Just going to peel it right off. And then now we're going to take the sensor and push it into the grommet here. Okay. Okay, that concludes our installation here on our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2017 and newer Ford F-150s equipped with the 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. Now, installation time on this was roughly about 30 to 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.